Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Money Conversations with Magical. Today, I'd like us to discuss investing in stocks. Investing in stocks can seem very intimidating and complicated, but it's a great way to grow your wealth over a long period of time. So, let's unpack the basics of investing in stocks. So, what are stocks? Stocks are commonly referred to as shares or equities. So if you hear someone saying, I'm investing in shares, it's basically stocks or equities. So it represents ownership in a certain company. So what essentially that means then is that when you buy shares of a particular company, you are actually buying a piece of that company. So, what then are the benefits of investing in stocks or in shares? Shares provide the potential for higher returns compared to other investment vehicles. For instance, bonds and other savings account. So stocks or shares give you that advantage of getting more returns. The other benefit of investing in stocks is that it gives you a chance to diversify your portfolio so that you're not then having just one kind of an investment. So having said that, then how do you get started in investing in shares? As I said, this is a basic introduction to shares. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open what is called a CDS account. A CDS account is a central depository and settlement account that enables you then to do the transactions. This account can be opened with a licensed stockbroker or an investment bank. So you have to seek around and see who is offering that service. Once then you've opened the CDS account, you then go ahead and choose the stocks you want to invest in. Make the choice of the stocks from a variety. The Nairobi Stock Exchange or the NSE has a wide range of stocks that are listed in the exchange. So these stocks could be stocks like banking, in the banking sector, could be stocks in technology or manufacturing. So, for example, stocks in the banking, you're investing maybe in KCB or in Equity or in any other bank that you desire. In the manufacturing, you could be investing in stocks like EABL or in the cement in the sector. Yeah, technology, look at Safaricom. So those are some of the stocks or shares you can choose to invest in. So, but as you're choosing the stocks you're investing in, you need to research and do your due diligence. Understand the company you want to invest in. You can look at their financials, look at their financial book. How is their book operating? Is it healthy? And all this information is in the public. So look at their financials. Look at their management team, the senior management team. Yeah. Look at their fundamentals. What are the fundamentals of these companies? What do they stand for? Then also, you can look at the industry trend. How is the trend in that particular industry you want to invest in? Is it a profit-making industry? And what is the potential for future returns in that particular industry? So investing in stocks carries a high level of risk, and hence the reason you need to go back and also understand your risk appetite. We've discussed risk appetite before in my previous videos. So if you've not had a chance to listen in, I recommend that you create some time and listening into that video. So then understand that stocks are highly risky. It's quite a volatile venture because there's all the ups and downs. So you have to think of diversifying. So to mitigate against the risk, if you really want to venture into the stock market business, you need to diversify. It's important that you diversify across sectors. Don't just put all your stocks maybe in one industry. Like the manufacturing industry, you can diversify, do manufacturing, a bit of technology, a bit of banking, a bit of pharmaceutical, maybe, so that you're able to average the risk that is there in. But the key is to consider your risk appetite. Remember, as I said before, investing is a marathon. It's not a sprint. You have to think and be in for the long haul. So the thing is, you have to stay informed, stay patient, and you will be on your way to success in investing in the stocks. So I thought it's good to have just a basic introduction to the stocks because we've been discussing various investment opportunities. Thank you so much. Consider subscribing to this channel so that you don't miss out on future insights on money matters. Thank you.